The person shown in this video is not a real deceased person. He is an actor. To prevent harm, no heat was applied to the product shown. Leak-proof cuff. To make a leak-proof cuff, you will need the following: a pair of scissors, length of ligature about 18 inches, and a piece of tape about 1 inch wide. To make the sleeve cuff leak-proof, simply take your piece of ligature and place it where you wish to make your cuff. Wrap the ligature around the plastic material and tie it to make it tight. Then, cut off the excess ligature. Next, pull the plastic material back over the ligated area. Then, pull as much excess material as you can around the wrist and tape it to the sleeve. If you are not satisfied with the length of the cuff as it relates to the shirt to be placed on the decedent, you can just reverse the process and start over. To shrink the material tighter to the wrist and arm, apply heat with your heat gun.